Meanwhile, in the agriculture sector, newly appointed Minister the Honorable Zulfikar Mustafa says he will be taking a hands-on approach to resuscitate this vital sector. Here now is Neola Damon.
During a meeting with heads of agencies and other technical staff at the Ministry of Agriculture on Thursday, Minister Mustafa said that he is ready to work with his team of officers to ensure the sector makes a complete recovery, specifically highlighting the challenges facing the sugar industry. This includes addressing the current state of the fisheries sector. Within the last 5 years, we've seen extreme losses in the sugar industry. 4 sugar estates were closed and over 7,500 persons were displaced. Thousands of other persons lost their livelihoods, and the industry suffered damages that will take hard work and dedication to repair. I'm confident that this government will bring back the sugar industry, a promise made in the People's Progressive Party Civic PPPC manifesto. The newly appointed minister also said that he plans to work to further develop the rice and livestock industries, improve drainage systems and access to farmlands, and find new market opportunities for agro-processors and cash crop farmers, among others. Apart from what I have already mentioned, this government will also be revisiting some of the harsh systems put in place by the previous administration, such as the increase in land rates by the MMA-ADA. The minister will have follow-up meetings with the heads of agencies to discuss putting policies in place to address how the agriculture sector will move forward as the country and the rest of the world continues to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. He is also eager to engage all stakeholders and private sector agencies to formulate policies to further strengthen the sector. Minister Mustafa emphasized that it is the responsibility of all heads of departments and agencies to work together to deliver the aims and objectives of the ministry for the benefit of all Guyanese. Neola Damon, InfoHub.